Good afternoon. Myself Pinky Chawla, advocate. I'm practicing District Court Delhi as well as in Supreme Court. Today we'll discuss about pension, whether in pension of parents, children has right or not. Children as well as daughter-in-law has right or not. Generally, so happen the government give pension to the needy person and they use for their daily routine work. Like they get a pocket money from the government side, and that pocket money they spend some of the very needy amount, like needy requirement. Like for example, they want to buy some medicine, they can buy some medicine, or they want to keep for some other purpose, for visiting purpose to the religious place, so they keep the money for religious place, then they visit the religious place so that they should not disturb their kids. So I'm just telling in the form of story. There was mother-in-law who was watching the TV. In between, the daughter-in-law came and stopped the TV and said, "Why are you watching the TV? Because a lot of electricity bill is coming. So you need not to waste the electricity and just go from here and go to your room and sleep." Then she said she has already slept number of hours. Now she want to relax and she want to watch the TV. Why you stopping me to watching the TV? But daughter-in-law again fighting with the mother-in-law and stop her and not to watch the TV. She was very shocked, and then she thought it is not necessary that she should also fight, because she is a mature lady and the daughter-in-law is so young and immaturely behaving with her. So I will solve this matter when all people, family members sit in the evening time. So she was keep quiet. In the meantime, her husband came. So he was also he saw her disturbed. Then she said, "What has happened?" He said, "What has happened?" She said, "Nothing, nothing serious. I was just watching the TV, and my our daughter-in-law has refused not to watch the TV because of a lot of electricity bill will come." Though he was also very shocked. Then he said, "My son was also telling me number of times that this house should be transferred in the name of my son and his daughter-in-law, so that they feel happy, and afterward that they should not have any kind of problem, unnecessarily go to the court and harass." So then he thought, if this is the condition, then he should rethink about the matter again. Then he is gone to some of the lawyer or one of his serious friend. Then he asked their advice, and lawyer told him not to transfer the house in their name, because if this is the kind of situation he is residing right now, because where there is no electricity charges for watching the TV, it's just like a same price as a one unit per day, not much. So if this is the condition, maybe it may so possible the higher side also that others type of position may come. So he refused his son and daughter-in-law that he will not transfer the property in his name. Then he transferred the property in wife's name, so that after his death she should feel secure and happy, and they should also look her properly and should not remove her from her own husband's property. So then they started planning that they will go to some religious place, and then they left for some religious place, and whatever the pension amount they saved till date, they took the pension amount and went some religious place and enjoyed there. And there he was sharing some emotional moment with his wife, that no doubt we are in the higher age group, but it is not that we cannot enjoy our life. We also have some feeling and thought. We have also some desire that we should move and we should go for some picnic, but our son and daughter-in-law doesn't bother for us. They only want our money and property, and we have spent number of years to look after our son and given him higher education so that he should be happily settled with his wife. Now there is a time when we should be relaxed and we should be given proper food and others benefit, but our son is not providing us, because daughter-in-law is very rigid and harsh, and they always criticize us in front of son and always in a fighting mode. So it is better that we have saved our pension amount and we are enjoying our religious moment here, and then they keep on doing till they alive. And after enjoying their religious places, they came back and started living happily in their house, where daughter-in-law and son was also forcibly look after them properly, because they found no option that till they are alive the property will not be transferred in their name. So I just want to say as a lawyer that it is very essential that if you are a senior parents, we should not transfer the property in your son's name or daughter-in-law till you feel comfortable and find that they are looking after you properly and fulfilling your all daily requirement as you were doing in the past when your son was too young and you were giving all his enjoying moment to him and fulfilling all his desire whatever he's asking for till his childhood, till the date or at the end of the marriage. You have completed all the formalities for your son, not only formalities, whatever you done with your heart. So in pension there is no right neither for son nor for daughter-in-law. If you have any query and question about this, you can always free to talk to me. My number is 9818277131. Thank you so much for enjoying video. Thank you so much.